You see us Jamaicans, this is how I know we're on a joke thing. This is how I know we need to do better. This is how I know we need to step up our game. The fact that our own Jamaican women don't even rate us is a signal, is a sign that we need to do better. It's so bad. It's so crazy the way women, our Jamaican women, don't rate us. They've even came up with a term to describe us. What, you don't know what that is? For you lot who are not Jamaican, or for you young youths that are watching this right now, I mean, you might have heard your grandparents say it and that. But the number one term a Jamaican woman would use to describe usually her baby father and that is a walkless man. That's what we're known as. So how the hell can we expect society to rate us if our own women don't rate us? Our own women have coined a term to describe us. Walkless man means worthless man. Yeah? They created a term to describe us. So many women that are like my mum's generation and that, when I used to hear them talk about their baby dad, oh, they're like a walkless idiot. Yeah. To be fair, I thought it was wotless. Yeah, as in W-O-T. It's actually walkless. I mean, it don't make no sense to me. I mean, wotless is closer to worthless. Yeah, as opposed to walkless. But anyway, it's slang. Slang don't really make sense. But yeah, the man they are walkless, whatever you want to call it. How the hell, someone explain to me right now, how the hell we can expect other people from other walks of life, other creeds, other ethnicities, other countries, other nations to rate us as Jamaicans when our own women have created a term to describe us. Walkless man. So we need to do better. We need to do better. We need to be known for certain things, yeah? Whatever it is, just something positive. Like Indian man are known for buying up pure property and that. Greek Cypriot man, whatever and that, them man, they are known for businesses and that. We need to be known for something. It could be anything. Yeah, doctor, whatever, lawyer, it doesn't matter. Be known for something. Don't need to be known for everything, but just be known for something. Positive, yeah? Positive. I didn't talk about this, or I'm not talking about this in terms of, you know, this is what we're known for, starting our own race, yeah? Yeah? Man got so much kids, he can flipping start his own race to blood clot. But yeah, so yeah, I've never heard a race of women who has created a term to describe how useless and how worthless their men are. Unbelievable.